know if y'all can see me. Hi, this is Kitty Pie 13. Welcome back to my channel. So, today, my mom hasn't opened her brand new headphones. And they're orange, super cute. I need some headphones. Oh, I just found a well. Those are good. So, I already cut this tape back here because it's like really hard to get open. So, I already did that, but we're gonna do like a little opening. In the meantime, we're just gonna be talking about some things that happened in my life in the past week. I haven't posted in a while, which I'm very sorry for. But I'm opening it. We're just gonna be opening it and just talking about what I've been up to lately. Alright. So this week was Fair Week. Super fun, super cool. Won a couple awards. Not a really big deal. I'm trying to say words and it's not working. So that's been fun. We got a little charger, some more earbuds and little ear covers, just so y'all can see more. Y'all know what the earbud covers look like this, but the other ones kind of look like this, except they look like that. So yeah. And so, just something simple, little extras. I guess that's really all. It's been up. Fair Week, won a couple things. Told my crush I liked him, got his number. Cool. Quick little side note, Cameron Arthur. He's my little cousin. For anybody who isn't my little cousin, Cameron, y'all don't have to listen to the rest of this video, but this is just for Cameron. Cameron, I swear if you comment his name in the comments, I will strangle you. I will do it. Alright, so hopefully he gets that memo. If he doesn't, I'm going to strangle him. But thank you guys so much for watching, and have a great time. I'm gonna plug these in and charge them so I can use them tomorrow. But just have a great day, and bye.